Welcome to the studio. Please keep moving all the way across the room. Please distract us on no flash photography or video ID. Ang personality or sound and address.
Electric Mayhem, we should really be heading to your concert. We're already very late.
Whoa, look at all the looky-loos.
Oh, hey, the VIP tour. Welcome, everyone.
What is happening? Hey, boss.
Wait, you have been at the studio this whole time?
Indeed. We've been rehearsing for the big show.
We're at the big show, and you were due on stage hours ago.
Hey, Scooter, why didn't you tell us we was late?
But Ozzy.
Whew! I tried to stall, but tough crowd. Hey, you guys better get moving. Traffic is so bad it'd be faster to waka waka.
Don't worry, Kermit. The Mayhem will be there. Though I have no idea how. Dr. Honeydew?
Oh, excuse us. Beaker and I were just testing the latest innovation from Muppet Labs, the lengthy immediate motion object.
A limo.
It's pronounced limo, actually.
How fast can we get the band here?
Factoring in the current traffic conditions.
We got a minute and a half. Okay, you should get going.
How we feel about our band?
All right, how about backstage passes for everyone?
I love that idea.
Me too. Get moving.
Come on, gang. We got places to be and people to rock.
Please head to the alley to find the
Head to the back alley to load up. Enjoy the show.